Meow products you see here are from the brand new Elemental litter. The very first time I saw the designs from this litter, I nearly collapsed. They were so beautiful, I was so excited, and now I get to open up a bunch of my own with you today. I have here a full case of the 6-inch mystery plush, as well as 6 of the 11-inch plush. These were all very kindly gifted to me by Banter Toys. Thank you so much, Banter, for making this video possible. If you love the Aphmau range as much as I do, you can get them at Kmart, Big W, Target,
Mr. Toys Toyworld, MYER, JB HiFi,
and the Warehouse in New Zealand. Alright, now let's take a peek at the designs that have me so excited for this litter. We've got water, earth, fire, air. I feel like I'm saying the Avatar theme song. We've also got lightning, ice, light, and the Meemeow that inspired my outfit today, the dark cat. It's literally a purple and black dragon cat. It's the most beautiful one. It's my chase cat. I really hope I open it in the big one and the little one today. Let's not waste any more time and find out if it's gonna be in one of the 6 11-inch plushies that I have today. The first 11-inch plushie of the day. And my first elemental cat is... It looks... Oh my gosh! It's so fluffy! So this is the light cat, and honestly this just looks like a cloud. This is a cloud cat. It's so fluffy. It feels like I'm hugging a cloud. It's also got the most beautiful little face, purple embroidered eyes, embroidered hearts in the eyes. The ears have rainbow sparkly fabric to match these wings. They are so beautiful and so sparkly. Our cloud cat also has really cute embroidered paw prints on the back. This is just the fluffiest Meemeow I've ever met. I know it's called Light Cat, but this is now Cloud. I'm calling her Cloudy. Cloudy with a chance of light. Alright, let's see who the second 11-inch Meemeow is. I have 5 more bags and there are 8 possible designs. I'm really hoping that I won't get any repeats today. Or even if I do get all repeats, if I could just get the purple cat. That's my number 1 wish. Purple cat, my number 2 wish is no repeats. The second Meemeow cat I'm opening. Oh my god, yes! It's not a repeat. It's the fire cat. How awesome is this? The tail is literally a flame. This shape is so cool. Oh my gosh, it even has the flame colors in its eyes. He's got a bit of a sneaky look. If fire were to have a face, that's exactly what it would look like. Then on the back, like the cloud cat, there are 2 embroidered paw prints. Okay, you sit next to the cloud cat. Don't set her on fire, please. Let's see what my third 11-inch elemental Meemeow will be. We've got these 2 down here. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Please be purple cat. Guys. I'm gonna cry. It's actually the dark cat. Oh my goodness. This is the best thing I've ever seen. Does my outfit not match perfectly? Yes, I did dress like this on purpose to manifest it. This cat is literally part of my outfit. I have to go to the shops later today, and this cat is coming with me. I think I'll name you Cosmo. I stole that name from a Pokemon, but it suits him, don't you think? Let's break down how beautiful this design is. Okay, so the overall fabric is a black fabric with sparkles on it. You can see the silver shimmering sparkles as I move it around in the light. The face. Look at this face. The eyes are stunning. They're black, but they actually have an embroidered purple outline. Coolest thing ever. There's also multiple shades of purple with the eyes, and then a magenta colored star here, which matches the star on the top of its head, which is inside an embroidered moon. The color of that also matches the color of the inside of its ears, and look, around its eyes. It's got embroidered moons here too. And then look at the tiny fangs. So cute, yet ready to fight. Wait, I just noticed it has 3 tails. This is the coolest creature ever. So we've got 3 tails. They go from black to purple, and there's like a really beautiful fade between the colors. The same thing is on all the feet, so you can see it fade from black to purple across all of its little feet. Same with on the stomach, purple in the middle, fading to black. And on the side, look at this gorgeous design. We can see purple, and then there are a bunch of purple stars on there as well. And then these wings. Oh, look at these wings. Going from light purple on the edge down to dark purple as you get closer to the cat. 300 out of 10. Best cat I owned. I am so happy I got it in the 11-inch. You can sit here while I open the other 3 I have left. I don't really mind what I get now I got that one. I'm gonna open from the bottom this time, just to mix it up a bit. Oh! A 4th new Meemeow! This is the best day ever! Look, this is Mossy Cat! Oh wait, it's actually called Earth Cat. Well, her name is now Mossy. Everyone, meet Mossy, the Earth Cat. It looks like this cat is a log and the moss has just naturally grown over it. This cat has a flower field on its back. The actual moss is really, really soft. It kind of feels like the cloud, but I would say a bit softer. It's like so soft. We'll take a look at the face. Love its cheeky expression. As always, love the embroidered eyes. So many different beautiful shades in there. Flower, flower, gorgeous. Flower, cheeks, even more gorgeous. Then it's got flowers growing up here. And look at this embroidery. Tiny sprouts growing out of the ears. Amazing. I am doing so good today. I have 4 different ones, which is absolutely amazing. I've got 2 of the 11-inch left to open. I would love for these 2 to be different ones. The air cat, gorgeous. Water cat, beautiful. The eyes cat, oh, so cute. Lightning cat, very, very cool guy. Who's gonna be inside here? Second last 11-inch plush. I'm preparing for a repeat. It's gotta be... Not a repeat! Oh, this is another special cat. This is Swirly the green cat. Look at all their swirls. 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 As you can see, their eyes have the swirls in them. Cute, cute smile. This one has a lot of these gradients going on, like the beautiful purple cat. Look at this one. Got these really pretty swirl designs on the side as well as sparkly wings. So these wings are really similar to the Cloud Cat ones. They are the same shape, same sparkly fabric, but different colors. The swirl on the tail is one of the most awesome parts of the design. It just looks so cool. Well, thank you for being here, Swirly. Would you like to help me with the last Meemeow? So I don't have Water Cat, I don't have Lightning Cat, and I don't have Ice Cat. Pretty high chance that this is gonna be a double. I'd really love to see the Water Cat. It looks really pretty. No way! No way! What? Did that just happen? This glorious water cat is completely sparkly. The pattern is that really cool, smooth, silky fabric. This cat has waves in her eyes. The song Ocean Eyes was written about her. And her whole design is just the ocean. Starting from a light blue, going down to a deep blue. Gradient on the tail is gorgeous. Oh, the waves on her paws. So pretty. Also embroidered paws down the back. Oh, this cat's ears. They're very rounded, like the other cats. Let me show you. This cat has really pointy ears, but these ones are a lot more rounded, and they have the ocean inside of them. Does that affect your hearing? Can you hear me? Well, I feel incredibly lucky today. No doubles. That's crazy. Thank you so much to Band Toys for sending these all to me. I love these Meemeows so much. And you know what we get to do now? Open up the mini ones. I've got the whole case of these 6-inch versions of these elemental cats here. There are 9 boxes, so fingers crossed I'll be able to get the electric cat and the ice cat and have a good look at their designs. And I'm so excited to see how all these designs that I'm already in love with look in mini form. This is definitely my favorite Meemeows litter. No doubt about it. Also, the packaging on this is extra cute. It has a bunch of different elemental symbols around. Okay, the first of these 6-inch elemental Meemeows we're meeting today. It was swirly. She flew right out of there. Oh my gosh, this is the babiest baby I've ever seen. So tiny compared to the big one. It's just a baby. So I've got very similar looking face. I'm always extra impressed by the embroidered eyes on the 6-inch one because it's so intricate, so tiny and detailed. It's got the sparkly wings, the swirly designs, the beautiful swirl on the tail. It looks quite different on the mini one to the big one. Alright, let's open up this one next. Elemental Meemeow number 2 is... Who is it? It looks... Oh, it's Mossy! And she is just as mossy and overgrown as her bigger sister. Once again, the moss, the green fluffy bits are so soft. Beautiful flower embroidery in the eyes, beautiful flower cheeks, flowers here, and a mini flower field on the back. I also love how the tail is like half covered in moss, half not. Same with only half the paws being covered in moss. The ears are exactly the same, they just look so much more detailed because they're so tiny. Also, the one thing that is very different about mini Meemeows, they have this embroidered patch here to show their rarity, whereas big ones, they don't have that. Which makes me realize I didn't even look at the guide. So, if we take a look at the guide, Water Cat, Earth Cat, Fire Cat, and Air Cat have the common rarity, Lightning Cat and Ice Cat have the uncommon rarity, and Light Cat and Dark Cat are the rare rarity. Elemental number 3. Okay, I'm gonna do a close my eyes test and I'm gonna feel the cat and see if I can guess who it is. Okay, it's smooth, it's got wings. Is it? Oh no! It's another air cat. It's okay, it's my first double of the day. It actually has the most perfect spot ever. They were waiting for her. Alright, straight on to elemental number 4. Let's try my feeling test again, shall we? Hopefully not another double this time. Water Cat? Water Cat! I knew immediately from the texture because it has that different fabric that's satin, it's smooth, it's sparkly. Well, I couldn't feel the sparkles, but I could feel the smooth satin. The waves in the eyes, the waves in the ears. Do you think it can just constantly hear the ocean? The pattern on the face coming here under the eyes, just adorable. You can sit here with your older cat too. Can you see them? I don't think you can see them behind me, but they're hanging out on the blue shelf. Alright, Meemeow number 5. Let me take a random guess. I'm gonna guess in attempt to manifest the ice cat. I really want to see what the ice cat looks like. This is not the ice cat, but it's a new one. Well, a mini one of the flame dragon. Flame cat. Oh, that tail is just as cool. Such an awesome shape. The colors once again look amazing on the flame one. The flames in the eyes, the flames around the body. I'm running out of room to put you all. No, don't fall, please. Elemental Meemeow number 6. Cosmog, can you help me manifest a 6-inch version of yourself? Would you like to do the honors? And who is Cosmog open? It's a new one! I really thought it was going to be Mini Cosmog with the black, but it's the very first lightning cat I've got today. Like the flame cat, this one has a cool shaped tail as well. It's shaped like lightning. It's got gold embroidery on the side with a bunch of lightning bolts. Paw prints on the back are gold, and then the face is also gold. There is a lightning scar right down the middle. Harry Potter, is that you? It's actually got lightning in its eyes as well. And then it's got a single tooth. It's so cheeky. Honestly, this one looks like a little bit evil. If I were to say that one Meow in my collection was evil, it's this one. Well, I'm very happy I've got the lightning cat now. I have 3 left. Really want to get the ice cat, and of course, I do really want a Mini Cosmog too. Okay, you can sit here. Oh, that was a really obvious place to put them when they were all falling apart. Okay, I'll open up this one here. Oh, I would also like to get the Mini Cloudy cat. A little tiny fluff would be so cute. All right, who are you? Cosmog. You have 3 tails. You've got to have some magic in you. Use it to summon Cosmog Jr. I want to do a feeling test again. It's always fun to do it that way. Smooth cat. Cool. It has some fluff on it, and it has some smooth on it. This isn't Mini Cosmog, but this isn't... It's Ice Cat! Oh, yay! That means I opened one of every design today, and Ice Cat, you are looking comfy and cozy. Doesn't this look like the coziest cat you've ever seen? It looks like it's wearing a big fluffy hat and a big fluffy jacket. Obviously, that's meant to be snow. Icy here has a very similar fabric to Cosmog. It's got silver glitter everywhere, but then the snow on top is the softest, marshmallowiest feeling fabric. Its paws look extra cute, and you can see the fluff over the edge. It's like they've just had snow fall on them. That's what it looks like. It looks like this cat was just walking along and boom, snow just fell and it just kept going. Its paws are a dark blue to match the dark blue embroidery of the face. This one has such a cute expression. It honestly looks like it's been eating snow. Kind of looks like it's trying to eat the snow falling off its head right now. Super pretty eyes with the different shades of blue and a star in there. Also got gorgeous eyelashes, and then blue inside the ears to match as well. You can sit here with Lightning Cat. Oh, they're so cute. I'm so happy. 2 left. There are too many cats I haven't opened. Fingers crossed. Come on, Cosmog. I really want a Mini Cosmog. Second last Meow of today is, can you tell me who it is? It doesn't look purple. Okay, it's the Mini Cloud Cat. Very cute, very fluffy. So fluffy. Let's compare you to the bigger version. Same cute fluff, same cute eyes, same cute wings, same cute paws. Their wings have a slightly different pattern. So the wings are on a rainbow fabric. So every wing is gonna look a little bit different depending on where the fabric was cut. I love this one's face. It's got the prettiest eyes. And the purple eyes get me every time. Now, can I have some more purple eyes in this last Meow? 1 chance left to get Mini Cosmog. Come on, big Cosmog. The final elemental Meow of today. 3, 2, 1. Yes! This tiny Cosmog was so excited to be free from his bag, he flew away with those beautiful wings. Oh, this one has quite a different face to the big one. Equally amazing. I do love it, but it just does have a different look about it. The smaller cat also has a whole lot of gradients going on with black to purple, light purple to dark purple on the wings, 3 tails again with purple on the ends of them, purple paw prints, and then this gorgeous galaxy pattern on the side. I just love this design so much. Well, thank you so much for coming with me to unbox all these elemental Meows. If you enjoyed this, I actually have a second elemental Meows video coming where I will be unboxing the plush clip-ons and the figurines. Stay tuned for that. I can't wait. Huge thank you to Band Toys for making this video possible today. I'll be back again with that other Meows video soon. Bye!